Well, it's finally done. All connected, everything is working as perfect as it is. Looks great, performance is just awesome. It looks quite good. A little bit dark here, but anyway. You can see my gaming rig now is mostly done. So also I have included a fan up here. It's not connected yet, but it will draw all of the heat from the top of the cabinet up. It's very good. Everything else is in perfect order. I definitely recommend this cabinet. Very good. Also, it's high-end components in here, so it's going to be a joy to play on. So that's it. I am very happy.